Hello everyone, my name is Julian Paitundag. So this is my poster. It is all about an environmental awareness promoting ecosystem restoration, particularly focusing on combating desertification and encouraging reforestation for soil conservation. This poster visually contrasts the damaging effects of land with the positive impact of restoration efforts. It divided into two main sections by the image of the earth in the center, smiling on the side with the greenery and looking distressed on the barren side. It symbolizes the humanity's impact and the planet response. As you can see on the right side, it is the degradation, the negative consequences of environmental neglect. It shows a dry, cracked landscape with barren trees and an axe which represent deforestation and desertification. On the left side, it illustrates the benefits of environmental action. It features lush green trees, newly planted plants, and a watering can that symbolizes reforestation and active efforts to restore the degraded land. The brown and orange on the right side are the earthly tones representing the dry land and the effects of the deforestation and desertification. The brown represents the barren soil and the dead plants, while the orange are the harshness of drought and impact of a degraded environment. On the left side, it is the green color that is strongly associated with nature, growth, life, and renewal. It symbolizes a healthy ecosystem and a hope for environmental recovery. Next is the blue color. It is the earth and the watering can that represent life-giving water, clean environment, and the planet itself. The contrast between the blue and the blue earth's expression on each side visually links the planet's well-being directly to human environmental practices. That's all. Thank you.